G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. This has to be one of my easiest air fryer recipes yet. It's so simple but so delicious. So join me today as I make my version of a Nutella banana sandwich in an air fryer. Now this truly has to be one of the easiest breakfast air fryer recipes you're ever going to try. It's not only incredibly simple, it's incredibly delicious. So we're going to start off with some bread. Now you can use any bread that you like, I'm just choosing to use white bread. So we're going to start by buttering one side of our white bread, or you can also use brown bread or multigrain. So I'm choosing to use white bread, but again, it's completely up to you on your tastes. So with our bread buttered, I'm going to do something you won't expect, and that's flip it over. So the outside is going to be the buttered side, and the inside is going to be Nutella. Now I'm going to leave this up to you, but you can use as much or as little Nutella as you like. And finally we're going to use a banana. Nutella and banana. Oh, does it get any better? So we're just going to cut it in half and then cut it lengthways once and twice. And on two of our slices we're simply going to place on our bananas. Now simply grab the other slice with Nutella and just flip it down like so. So we have the butter facing up. Now what we have to do now is just cut them up. Now you can do it as a triangle or you can do it as a square or a rectangle. Completely up to you on your particular style. I've always preferred triangle, but let me know how you do yours in the description below. So just open up your air fryer. Just simply place them inside like so. Now half the reason why we're cutting these up is that it's just easier to fit them into your air fryer. Okay, so we're going to cook these in our air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. And after that initial 5 minutes, we're going to flip them over and cook them for another 3 minutes. Okay, so that's our first 5 minutes down. So we're just going to flip them over. Oh, look at that, it's already looking and smelling delicious. Okay, so just cook them for another 3 minutes and they'll be done. Oh, look at those. They look and they smell delicious. Now just look at those delicious Nutella and banana toasted sandwiches out of an air fryer. They are oozing with that lovely warm Nutella and that lovely banana. And because they've been baked in an air fryer, they smell absolutely delicious. I mean, just look at them. You know that Nutella and banana just goes so well. And by buttering the outside of the toasties, they really do come out nice and crispy. Like you would have fried it in a fry pan, except it's done a bit healthier in an air fryer. And honestly, it is a lot simpler and easier. And also a lot less mess too. But I can't guarantee there won't be a mess on your face because these Nutella banana sandwiches taste simply delish.